Greetings. Today's Google Grab is number 2 on my 7 Wonders of Google Greatness list, and it is Google Classroom. Classroom is a wonderful blended platform that has now added features to make teachers' lives easier and engage parents. Our focus for today's Grab will be on Guardian Summary, so let's get started in setting this up. Open a Chrome browser, and in the address bar, type in classroom.google.com. Select the class that you would like to enable Guardian Summary for. Once that class populates, click on the Students tab. Notice I have 3 students, and each student has an Invite Guardians link beside their names. But before we invite their guardians, we need to enable the Guardian email summaries. So you turn that slide on, and then Add Class. Now I'm going to invite Jade Campbell's guardian by simply clicking on Invite Guardians next to Jade's name. And I will enter her guardian's email address. You may elect to add another guardian or several other guardians by simply clicking on Add Another. I'm going to click on Invite. And that's all you will need to do from the teacher side of things. Now let me show you what happens on the parent side. Once the email goes out, the invite goes out, the parent will receive an email that simply states that they've been invited as a guardian for their student in Google Classroom. The parent will simply click Accept, and then again confirm that they accept to get the email summaries. And at this point, the parent elects the frequency of which they would like to receive summaries. So they can either select weekly or daily or no summaries. We're going to select weekly. And this notification here states that all the weekly summaries will go out on Friday afternoons. Be sure that your parents select the correct time zone as well. And that's it. That's all the parent will do. So we're going to go back to your Google Classroom since the parent has accepted. And notice that it has been invited, and you will be able to email the guardians from your Google Classroom. You can also remove the guardians. You can email the student as well from that one platform. That's what makes it so wonderful. So there you have it. It is Google Classroom Guardian Summary feature. I hope that you find great uses in engaging your parents in what's taking place in your classrooms.